Greetings. My name is Catur Rahayu Martining Tias. I'm going to present my research about the influence of corporate governance and firm age on the dividend payment policy of Indonesian banking companies. Good corporate governance regarding dividend policy in Indonesia has not widely implemented. Research conducted dividend policy is perhaps one of the most debated topic in corporate finance. This has indeed inspired many empirical investigation from research in the field of finance. One of the right of investors who invest their capital in a company is to receive dividend. Research conducted by Laporta et al. 2000, Mitten 2004, Kowaleski et al. 2007 show that corporate governance mechanisms have a positive effect on dividend payout. The results of the research are in accordance with outcome theory, which states that good corporate governance mechanism will provide good protection to investor. Companies that have good corporate governance mechanism will provide dividends to shareholders. This research contributes to effort to see whether corporate governance consisting of board independence, board meeting, audit committee size, and firm age in a developing countries influence dividends payment policy in banking company in Indonesia. Literature review from this research, number one, dividend policy play an important role in projecting a company business prospect and greatly influence share price. Artono Matusin 2020. Dividend policy also support companies to achieve their goals by maximize shareholder welfare. Companies that regularly pay a high proportion of dividend will have their share price in the market increase, which ultimately attract investor to invest. Tahir Mustaq 2016. Number two, the existence of board of independent in a company is very important because it can influence the decision of the board of commissioners. Supervision carried out by external party is of course more objective than supervision carried out by internal parties because it is not directly involved in the company operation activities. So, it can reduce managerial fraud in decision making. MH Emargi et al. 2017. Malavia 2018 found that board independence has a positive effect on dividend policy. Dewasiri et al. 2019 revealed that the frequency of board of directors meeting has a significant positive effect on dividend distribution. The frequency of meeting reflects the activeness of member of the board of directors on the board or the board. Medi et al. 2017 said that when experiencing a crisis, meeting prioritize how to resolve the crisis. When passing through a period of crisis, the frequency of meeting has a significant positive effect on dividend distribution because active board members improve the quality of the implementation of corporate governance, thereby encouraging opportunities for dividend distribution. Number four, one of the components contained in a good corporate governance is the audit committee, which function to ensure that daily operation run according to the policy set by the company and ensure that the financial report presented are in accordance with generally accepted financial accounting standard in Indonesia. With the existence of an audit committee, it is hoped that it will be able to improve the company's internal supervision and be able to make decisions. Septiani 2013 state that the audit committee has a significant positive influence on the company decision regarding dividend policy. The Maturi hypothesis theory, according to Grulon et al. 2002, and Darmawan 2011, state that companies that have been established for a long time have low growth opportunities and little investment funding, so that the company has the ability to distribute dividend in large amount. Research conducted by Darmawan 2011 found evidence that company age has a significant positive effect on dividend policy, meaning that the longer the company has been around, the more mature the company is, so that company management is believed to be more professional, the impact of which can increase the company's ability to distribute dividend. The problem of our research is, does corporate governance consisting of board independent, board meeting, audit committee size, and firm age in developing countries influence dividend payment policy in banking companies? The hypothesis is hypothesis 1. Does board independence influence dividend policy? Hypothesis 2. Board meeting influence dividend policy. Hypothesis 3. Audit committee influence dividend policy. Hypothesis 4 is firm age influence dividend policy. The methodology for this research, variables and measurement, dividend policy use measurement dividend per share. For independent variables, board independence use measurement number of board independents divided by board of commissioners multiply 100%. And board meeting measure by number of meeting the board hold each year. And audit committee size measurement use number of audit committee in each company. And firm age is company age. So the multiple regression for this research is dividend is influenced by board independence, board meeting, audit committee size, and firm age. For conclusion this research, as you can see in the table hypothesis test, for board independent and board meeting, the hypothesis no supported because the p-value is more than 5%, and board of meeting coefficient is negative. But audit committee size and age, company age, result by the hypothesis is supported. So actual audit committee size influence the dividend policy positive significant, and so for the conclusion, audit committee size and firm size have a positive effect on company policy is providing dividend. For managerial implication, the managerial implication in this research is that the company ability to distribute dividend should increase the number of audit committee size as one of the factors of good corporate governance, which can be responsible for supervising the company financial report, overseeing external audit, and observing the internal control system of the Board of Commissioners. Apart from that, the longer of the company has been existence, it shows that the company is more mature, so that the management of the company is believed to be more professional, which in effect can increase the ability to make dividend decision. I think it's all the presentation of my research. Thank you for your attention.